Winter's officially behind us, and today's the first day of spring. That means more hours of daylight, warmer temperatures, and a craving for foods that are lighter and brighter. That also means that soup takes a backseat to salad, chicken moves to the center of the plate, and fresh-tasting desserts like the lemon meringue cookies that we're making today win out over bubbling hot cobblers. To make these, we begin by unrolling a couple of refrigerated pie crusts. With a cookie cutter or a glass, we cut out circles like this. Now, we place these on a baking sheet and into the oven they go until they're golden. Once they cool a bit, we top each with a mixture of cream cheese and powdered sugar, which looks just like meringue. A little dollop of lemon curd goes on top, and voila, a 4-ingredient cookie that tastes just like lemon meringue pie, with a flaky crust and the perfect balance of lemon and creamy icing. To get the recipe for our lemon meringue cookies, simply hop onto our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, wishing you a happy first day of spring. One that's filled with lots of, ooh, it's so good. They're delicious, aren't they? Like, lemon, yummy.